this is the scraper. It's not super sharp, like it won't cut you if you touch it. Super ergonomic, you can hold it like this. I just whipped it out for a piece that I had attempted to sand to get the finish off, and the old finish was so thick, I was literally sanding for hours and hours. So I decided to order a scraper, and it honestly worked like a charm. So I'm gonna show you how I scrape it, and then I'm gonna show you how easily it sands after I scraped it a little bit. So this product really helped me get all of the thick varnish off, so then I could finally sand and get off the rest of the stain and finish. Lifesaver.